If you're looking for a rewarding and profitable side hustle, a woodworking side hustle should be at the top of your list. This timeless craft not only offers numerous benefits, but also provides an excellent opportunity for passive income. Imagine transforming your passion for creating beautiful pieces from wood into a small business that generates revenue while allowing you to express your creativity. Woodworking is more than just a hobby. It's a versatile skill that can lead to various small business ideas. From crafting custom furniture to building unique home decor items, the possibilities are endless. Each project becomes an opportunity to showcase your craftsmanship and attract potential customers. Moreover, woodworking serves as a fantastic creative outlet, allowing you to unwind while producing tangible results. As you hone your skills, you'll find that each piece tells a story, your story, making it even more rewarding. By choosing woodworking as a side hustle, you're not only investing in yourself, but also opening doors to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. Don't miss out on this chance to turn your passion into profit.